listeners, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about verb, right? We are going to learn verb. First of all, what is verb? Action words are verb. Action words are verb. Repeat with me. Action words are verb. Very good. It means when we do something or whatever we do something, that is a verb. That is an action verb. Now these are examples of verb. First one is walk. He is walking. A boy is walking along his pets, as you can see in this picture. Next one, run. He is running. A boy is running. That is why run is a verb. Jump. Jump is an action verb. It means jump is a verb. Eat. He is eating something. Drink. She is drinking. It means she is doing some action, and that action is drinking. Drink is a verb. Sleep. Sleep is also a verb. Next one, think. He is thinking. Think is also an action verb. Write. Read. Stand. They are standing. It means they are doing something. That means stand is an action verb and verb. Sit. Calm. I hope you learned something new. Keep supporting. See you in next video.